Whether you're looking for a permanent residence, a holiday let investment, or a weekend retreat away from the hustle and bustle, this converted barn could be ideal. Let's take a look around. So that's the property. It's a wonderful modern converted barn, and it was only converted around about 12 years ago, so it still has a lovely modern feel and it's in great condition and ready to move into. It would make a great permanent residence, but also it would be ideal as a holiday let or a weekend getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. The location is fantastic if you want some peace and quiet. It's just off the A595, so it's easily accessible to the neighbouring towns and villages, but it's set back with the stream running behind that adds to the charm and tranquility of the area. If you'd like to find out more information or would like to have a look around, then please get in touch. Thanks for watching.